Hello YouTubers, this is my second video, so don't expect much, but I wanted to share my thoughts on the Elves box by Sophie and Toffee. I first heard about this, I think, from watching some resin videos, and I was just really interested. I found it. I signed up January 1st. It was $34.95. I got the starter box and then the actual craft box, also $34.95, charged in the first month. I just received them today. It's February 6th. It comes from Singapore, and I'm located in Nevada. So I haven't opened these yet. I'm very excited. So let's see what we got. So it's packaged pretty well. I think this might be the craft. This is the starter box, right? So it comes with a card, and it says, excuse my nails, okay, starter box. And it's just got a mix of things. So let's get right in here. There's some UV resin, some pigment to color the resin. Looks like I got some molds of various shapes. This looks like a mixing kit for the resin. Some glitter and doodad beads and such. This is a bow. Oh, some cylinders or circles. Cylinders. No, what am I trying to say? Spheres. Okay. And then I think this is the UV torch. So the starter kit's supposed to be like everything you kind of need to get started. Yep. UV torch. So you can do the activity. Oh, this one's really pretty. It's like feathers. Okay. Cool. I would say, in my non-expert opinion, that was worth $35. Also, that includes shipping too. So then this is the actual box, and it's my egg story. And let's see what we got here. Ooh, another bottle of resin, clear. That's the same one I already received, so that's good. So I'll have two. A different dye, pigment dye. It says it's white. Oh, egg molds. Various glitters. Uh-oh, looks like one of them opened. I have to say, though, besides that, everything is well packaged, and nothing else has broken. So, and then everything is individual as well. That was a cute, like, flower, lotus flower thing. And, oh, here's some just dried flowers. Some shapes. Another pigment. And then there's something in this bag here. So the only, I guess downside is it's kind of pricey, but for what you get, I think it's worth it. This is some soft squishy thing, which it is probably the White Cloud Stretchy Clay. On the card that comes with it, it lists everything that you get. There you go. So it's everything I've got. And then here's a little keychain. It's pretty. Some little gold beads. Oops. I think this is a top to something. And they sent me 2 glass vials. I was very confused because it said starter kit, and I was like, that was $35. But when I contacted them, they got back to me rather quickly, and they said they forgot to put it in the starter box, so it is for one of the activities there. And that came a couple days ago, probably because it was in an envelope. It came faster. So overall, quite a few things. Very happy. And I can't wait to use it. So, Sophie and Toffee, yes.